Good day, everyone. The quote I'm about to present is all about love. And this quote is said by Aristotle, a renowned philosopher and a scientist. And he is also considered one of the greatest intellectual figures in his time. And the quote is, love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. When Aristotle wrote these words, he wasn't simply describing romance. He was describing a profound human connection, one that transcends physical presence and reaches into the deepest parts of who we are. What does it mean for two people to share a single soul? It means that in true love, whether romantic, familial, or bond between lifelong friends, there is a harmony so complete the two individuals begin to move through life with a shared sense of purpose. They feel joy together, grieve together, and grow together. Their experiences shape one another, and their identities begin to intertwine, not by losing themselves, but expanding themselves. Aristotle believed that the highest form of love is built on virtue. It is not based on fleeting emotion or external appearances, but on deep appreciation for each other's character. In this kind of love, each person becomes a mirror for the other, reflecting their strengths, gently calling attention to their flaws, and inspiring them to become the best version of themselves. When two people uplift each other in this way, they develop a unity that feels almost spiritual. Think about what happens when you form a meaningful bond with someone. We begin to understand their thoughts even before they speak. We feel how we feel what they feel, sometimes more sharply than our own emotions. We celebrate their victories as if they were our victories, and we offer comfort in their moments of pain as though the ache were our own. In these moments, it truly feels as though one soul is moving through two lives. But this quote also reminds us of responsibility. If love makes us one soul, then the way we treat each other becomes deeply significant. Our words, our actions, and even our silence can either nourish that shared soul or wound it. Real love requires patience, honesty, and humility to recognize that we are part of something larger than ourselves. In a world that often celebrates independence and self-reliance, Aristotle challenges us to see connection as a strength, not a limitation. Love does not diminish us, but it expands us. It allows us to experience life not long through our own eyes, but through the eyes of another. It multiplies our joys and halves our burdens. So when we hear Aristotle's words, love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies, we are invited to reflect on the depth of our relationship. We are invited to cherish the rare bonds that will make us feel understood, supported, and truly known. And we are reminded that love, at its best, is not just an emotion. It is a shared journey of growth, unity, and profound human connection.